Now, if you understand this, right, that you're gonna have a Skool community, for example, and you're gonna figure out how to get traffic from those places, right? I teach you these ideas as well in my course, in my free Skool, or on my YouTube videos, how to deal with content creation for attraction, right, of members, and how to move people to take action, right? So you're gonna have a Skool membership offer, have some traffic, and now I will explain you how you're gonna turn that traffic into paid members, right? There are two ways to do this, right? One of them is passive way, and another one is more like a manual way. A passive way means that you're gonna enroll people via Skool order page, which means that you're gonna basically send people to a Skool about page, the page that I showed you before, right? This kind of page where there is some description about, you know, what people will get. You would be sending people to this about page of your Skool, right? Now, where you're gonna be sending people from is from those traffic sources, right? First of all, you could write emails out to send them out to your email list, right? Hey guys, I just opened this paid community membership. It's on Skool, blah, blah, blah. It's a private community. You're gonna get access to my course, to my coaching, weekly Q&A calls, and all of these kind of things. Come click there and join in right now, right? So that's one way, right? People just go, click on the email that you send out to them, and they're gonna go to the Skool order page, right? Maybe on Instagram stories, right? You could be giving people away your Skool about page, right, link, right? And in stories, you could say, hey, click the link down below, come into my paid membership, right? Maybe you would be posting content and telling people on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or wherever, hey, go to my bio link, right? Bio link, we have these links in YouTube in the bio. You can have on Instagram, there is bio link anywhere, right? TikTok, you got bio link. Click the link, come to my Skool paid membership community, right? And anywhere else, you could be posting content, Instagram or Facebook profile or whatever, Facebook page, and you could say to people in content, describe them what this is all about, comment the word info or invite or whatever down below, and I'm gonna send you a link to our paid membership community right now, right? So that's how you can then deliver to people the link in the DMs, right? To those who commented. Just gave you a few ideas, right? How you can this option, right? I enrolled a few people through this option, and I never needed to go on sales calls with them, right? I just gave them out the link. To some, I even followed up in the DMs, or I get people. There is another way to combine this idea of writing content and get people to comment with sending emails out, right? Sometimes I send emails out and I don't give people a link, but I say to them, reply to this email if you're interested. I'm gonna give you more info, right? And some people reply to my emails and I give them the info, the order page, then when I reply to them. This allows me to have chats with people as well, right? Anytime when you move people from content or from your emails and get them to chat with you, right? You can have this kind of chat or DM conversations, right? So, but then this is already more like a manual labor now, right? Because if you are promoting on your YouTube channel just your Skool order page, right, link, you don't need to take sales calls, right? You can send a lot of traffic, just, hey, go to my Skool membership, just subscribe right now, right? You could do just that, right? Now, that's a very passive way, but if you're just starting out, maybe you will need to speak to some people first, and create that trust and connection. And I used to do this a lot, right? I talked to people and I kind of went on a Zoom call with them for 10-15 minutes, and I gave them the link on a Zoom call and they enrolled with me, right? Before I was doing Skool community, I had a private order page through which they paid on live on my Zoom call with them, right? And I enrolled them that way. And that's how I got in the past, and even now, one-on-one clients as well, right? Through chats and sales calls or whatever. But there exists this first option, which is more passive way, right? Just sending the links out to people, promoting your link. Hey, join my Skool community membership, right? Through this link. But yeah, you could chat with people, right? You could reach out even to some people who you already know. You could reach out to people and send them this link, or you could invite them to a call, right? You could create engagement content and you reach out to people, whoever engages, right? And continue those conversations, and you ask them if they want to know more about your membership, right? And then you can send them the link, or you can go and talk to them on a call first, right? But you need to know how to do these chats and calls. I teach you these techniques all in my free course in my school, right? You can create lead generation content giving away your free community, which means that you can post content like, hey guys, I ran this free community. That's what I showed you before on my Facebook, right? I wrote this simple post. People commented invite down below, and I send them the link to my school community, right? And I described to them before what my school community is all about, right? For example, so that's another way. Getting people to comment certain word down below, and then in the DMs, I send them the link to the free version of my school community or the paid, whatever the content was all about. And I even ask those people, right, who requested access to my free community, if they are interested in my membership now, right, as well. So I know how to do this authentically, and you can learn it in my course as well, right? Another way is that, for example, instead of promoting your free community, you could be promoting a video. You could say in your content like, hey guys, I recorded this free video, who wants it, right? People comment video if you want to see this video, right? They will comment video, whatever, and then you're gonna DM them with that video, and you can ask them, hey, would you also be interested in being part of our support group, right? Come to our weekly group calls and be inside of our membership, right? In school or so. So that's another way. People can join your free community, right? Your free Facebook group or your free school community, and you can ask them 3 questions when they are entering, right? So when they request to join your free community, you can ask them 3 questions. And in those questions, you can collect their email as well, and you can ask them, do you want to also know about our membership, our support group, our weekly Q&A calls? You can ask them that question. If they said yes, you can then reach out to them and have a chat conversation with them, and you can then send them the link to your membership, or you can go on a call with them, or whatever the conversion method is, whatever the conversion method is, right? Anyways, you are either promoting your link, order page link, and you enroll people passively, or you go and talk with them. Now, just heads up on this, right? If you learn how to talk with people, go on chats and go on calls with people, you can control your destiny here, right? Because if you're starting out, it's not necessary that people will just click your order page link and subscribe because they don't know you. But if you're starting out, you could kind of use this as an idea as a leverage, that you can go and chat with some people and talk with some people and enroll them that way. That's what I did when I started, right? I went to quick 10-minute calls with people, which I scheduled through DMs, through Instagram and Facebook Messenger chats, DMs, and via emails as well. I booked calls, I invited people to go on quick calls, so I help them out, I provide them with some feedback, right? I went on those calls with people and I enrolled them as my membership members then, right? Via very manually, right? Now, this method is good to know how to do, because you can post content and you can build a list, a manual Excel list, and you can start writing people who you think would be interested, or whoever raised hands. You create this kind of lead management, that's how I call it, lead management follow-up list. And you can note down who is interested, right? And you can start following people up, kind of, as well. You can be a little more like salesy in a way, and you can follow up some people and keep inviting people to calls, right? This method allows you to at least control your destiny here, because you can go and speak with people, right? No one likes to do this, but if you are unable to enroll people just very passively directly via sending them the link out, you could go on calls and you could chat with people and go on calls with them, right? That's how I did it. When I launched my first membership, I enrolled my first 15 to 20 people very much through going on a call with them. And they paid me $100 each per month, and that got me to $1,200-$1,300 a month recurring income, because I wanted to speak with people. I wanted to actually speak with people to learn from them what they want, if they understand me and what my course, my membership is going to be all about. Are we on the same page? Are we an energetical fit, methodological fit? I wanted to go on calls to learn from my audience, right? So that's how I did it when I started, right?